So in today's video, I'll show you how to replace the label rolls on a Dymo label printer. Now in my case, I'm using the Dymo LabelWriter 5XL, but this procedure is pretty much the same no matter which Dymo label printer you have. And I'll also leave links to replacement labels for this printer right below the video, so feel free to check that out. Now before you get started, make sure your label printer is powered on and is plugged into your laptop or computer. The first step in the process is to open up this compartment cover. Now in my case, I'm replacing the existing roll with a roll of a different size. So I do have some labels remaining in the current roll. So to begin removing the spool, I recommend pressing the retract button once so it feeds out of the slot, and then you can gently unspool the rest manually and remove the spool. And then I'm going to wiggle and pull off the right hand side spool guide, and let's remove the existing label roll. So I have my new roll and I'm going to remove this piece of protective tape, and it did tear a little bit of the first label. That's okay because we're going to have to tear that off in any case. And I'm going to slide it onto the spool guide with the labels coming out of the bottom of the spool, and then we're going to slide the right hand spool guide on, and you want to ensure that it's all the way up against the roll. And then I'm going to place the spool back into the spool holder, and then I'm going to push the first label through the feed slot on the inside and push it in as far as I can. And then I'm going to push the label guide all the way to the left to align with the size of the label, and then let's close this cover. Now the next step works most reliably when you have your laptop or computer on and your Dymo Connect software open. And once that's been loaded, you'll notice that the power button is now flashing. And I recommend turning the printer off by pressing and holding the power button and then powering it back on. And this ensures that it recognizes the new spool that was loaded. And as soon as you do that, if you have genuine Dymo labels installed, you'll notice that there's a message that displays and lets you know that a specific size of label has been installed. So it auto detects the size of label, and I'm just going to click yes. And you'll notice that your Dymo Connect workspace changes as well to reflect this new label. And next we're going to feed in our first label and tear it off so that we start off with a nice clean label as our first printable label. To do that, I'm going to press the forward button and then press it one more time till that label feeds through, and let's tear off that first rough label. And folks, this is all it takes to install new label rolls in your Dymo LabelWriter. And as I mentioned earlier, if you're looking to buy new labels for these printers, I'll leave links right below the video, so feel free to check that out. Hope this video has been useful. If it has, please give the video a big thumbs up, and please also consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.